Spring Street, New Albany, man. Check it out. Hey, they got knocked for a loop, boy. Apparently one of them hit them. There's the van there. You don't know if you can see it, but there's the car that got hit. And the van that hit it's over there, the fireman's in the front of it, but it's really total, dude. It's really smashed up. I was on my way to go get me some cat food. That's a steak boy. I hope everybody's okay, but it's a bad one. Damn, it knocked them way over on the sidewalk, didn't it? Intersections are dangerous like that, though. Alright, everybody, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Ain't nothing really happening. They're just going to tow them and stuff, so and it's cold, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Later. Knocked them for a loop, Bo.